Compound ROI calculator or compound growth rate is the rate of return or return on investment at the end of the time period used in compounding calculation. Simply said, compound ROI, compound annual growth rate, is the compounding percentage used in Forex compound calculator to get ending balance. Here is the information or formula how the ROI or CAGR is calculated. CAGR is also called compound annual growth rate, which represents annual return on Forex compounding plan. That means CAGR, watch the annual return, but if you want to check other time periods return, you can do that. Here is how to do it. If we use an example where we have $1,000 invested and compounding 10% on each day through 10 days, the result from the graph is here. You could make 10% return, which gives you $17,449.40. But when you calculate ROI or CAGR, you get this. EV is the ending balance, BV is the beginning balance, and the N is the time period. When you put all variables and values into CAGR formula, you get the final information that CAGR is 9.99 or 10%. You see, the CAGR or compounding ROI is the percentage used at the start in the compounding calculation to get the result. CAGR is the reverse compounding process, which gives you insight how the Forex trading investment has grown over a time period. Let's check CAGR formula in Excel. If you want to use CAGR in Excel, then the formula for CAGR in Excel is equal to this. Maybe this is not easy to understand if you are a beginner in Forex trading, but here is an example in Excel directly, so it is easier to understand the formula. I will use the same example where I have initial investment or start balance equals $1,000. End balance is $17,449.40 and time period will be 30. How to use CAGR formula in Excel? There are two ways you can get CAGR in Excel, and that is by using Excel RRI function or directly entering CAGR formula in the Excel. Let me show the first way, and that is to use RRI function. Here is the formula of the function. You see the first variable is time period, then the PV is the start balance, and FV is the end balance. Here you would get the result in decimal point, and to get the result in percentage, you would need to multiply the result with 100. Here is the result in the Excel when you type the formula to get CAGR in the Excel. When I select all three variables for the function, you would get this in the Excel. When you confirm all the data in the formula to get CAGR in the Excel, you would get 10% as a result. 10% is the percentage I have used in the compounding calculation to get 30-day result. Here is what you get in the Excel. Now let's check the other way, and that is example of CAGR formula in the Excel. Now I will show you the real CAGR formula in the Excel, which same formula I have used when I have calculated the CAGR for the 30-day time period. I will enter all the data from the CAGR formula. I have added column letters so it is easier to understand the formula used in Excel. You see that CAGR formula in Excel is the same as the formula here. The data used from the table in the Excel gives us final as 10%, which was the percentage used in the compounding calculation on $1,000 starting balance. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time.